What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be making a healthy green smoothie. I've been trying to be consistent with drinking these smoothies every day, but let's get into it. So you're only gonna need 5 ingredients. Water is free. We all have water. I have a Granny Smith apple, spinach, lemon, frozen banana, and some vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. So I'm going to cut up my fruit. Make sure you wash your fruit. Keep everything nice and clean at always. And yeah, so basically the lemon is for like detox. You can definitely detox with the smoothie. It's also a meal replacer. You know, you have the protein with the yogurt, and of course your nutrients from your spinach and apple. So it's still delicious even though I used water. And I used water because I feel like the vanilla flavored yogurt is sweet enough, as well as the banana, and I didn't want to push it by adding juice, so I used water. But you can use orange juice if you prefer. So I'm just gonna throw everything into my little mixer. A big old handful of spinach. I love spinach, you guys. I love it raw, cooked, in smoothies. I like it all kinds of ways. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw it in my mixer, blend it up, and drink it. And that's my breakfast for the morning. And yeah, so I hope you guys give this smoothie a try. It's definitely an immune booster as well. So, and it's easy to make, and it's super delicious. It's not bitter. It doesn't taste leafy or like green. If you guys know what I'm saying, because the apple and the banana canceled that out. So you get a lot of nutrients without the actual flavor of like the spinach. So it's also great for kids. Kids will probably won't even know that there's spinach in here. But if you like this recipe, let me know what you think down below, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, you guys.